especially because we have had 8 instances before here, which you chose not to come. Do you find it disturbing that the day you chose to come to court, it's the same day the 3 petitioners were found early in the morning? Do you find it disturbing?
My Lord, I don't find it disturbing because to me, up to now, I'm not aware whether they've been found.
You've answered my question. My second question, Mr. Masengeli. You have apologized to the court for not honoring those 7 sermons. Is that an admission of guilt from your part?
My Lord, that's not an admission of guilt, but I explained myself, my Lord.
Why did you apologize? If, truthfully, your affidavit, the one you have supplied to the court, if whatever you have sworn and presented to the court is true, why are you apologizing for doing the right thing?
Because, my Lord, I was supposed to be here in person.
You're supposed to